Your bedroom is where you spend lazy Saturdays, stay up late with a good book, or just relax. In many ways, it's the heart of your home. A Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Loan provides the funding you need to turn it into a place you'll love spending time in. Here are 3 projects you can take on with a Homestyle loan that can improve the look and feel of your bedroom. First, upgrade or change your lighting options. You can put in recessed lighting, wall sconces, or even a chandelier to add a bit of uniqueness to your space. Second, a Fannie Mae Homestyle loan can cover the addition of luxury features. If you're one of us who needs a cup of coffee to get started, think about installing a coffee bar. It can be as simple or as elaborate as you want it to be. Another luxury addition that's possible with a Homestyle loan is a fireplace. Whether real or digital, it'll add just the feeling of calm and warmth that you want in a bedroom. Third, you can turn one of your windows into a door with glass panels. In addition to letting in more light, you'll have a private entrance to your home if you're on the ground floor. If you're higher up, you can construct a small Juliet balcony or a larger one that allows you to fully enjoy your view. A Homestyle loan can make these renovations possible while also providing an excellent option for home buyers. That's because it can be bundled with the purchase loan, leaving only one set of closing costs. These benefits make a Fannie Mae Homestyle loan an excellent option for first-time home buyers and homeowners looking to make a few changes to their bedroom. If you're thinking about making improvements to your bedroom, let's talk about how I can help you make that happen. Contact me today to get started.